we're very fortunate that we have a brand today, a Knight Rider brand, which is not only one of the top brands in the country but also globally. So our intention is to use this platform to bring awareness to certain initiatives that require attention, and along with that comes a lot of support. Like you said, Brandon said, Sugam and other sponsors as well as people who participate. Somehow we are able to use this platform to raise the resources that are necessary to support it. I mean, these are small initiatives, but every little bit helps, as you know. And so it's not a financial angle to it, or there is any other type of a thing. It's more about our endeavor to give back to the community in whichever shape or form. See, as I said, we look at opportunities that we have by virtue of who we are and who we've become, and also our biggest sort of driver and supporter behind us, Mr. Khan, is always through the foundation that we have created, which is Mir Foundation. The overarching goal of the foundation was very specifically keeping women in mind, and saying women empowerment and things that we can do. There's so much that needs to be done, as you know, the country. I mean, there's a huge country, and there are lots of things that needs to be done. But you take the view that every little bit, one initiative at a time, one person at a time, if we can make a difference to somebody's life, it gives us a lot of satisfaction and gives us the opportunity to give back. So to that extent, I think whatever we have done over the years, every year we have a different initiative that we take on. Something or the other needs to be done, and there are people who vet these things, and then there are people who support us in pushing forward with these initiatives. So hopefully we make this bigger and better as we go on, and make it more impactful as we go on.
First, it's good to have Abhishek back in the setup. He's been the important part of this team. He's been here since very long. So, as players, for me, we all are really happy to see him back. He's really passionate. He knows each and every player. So his role in this team has been really important. So we all are really happy. Talking about women power. I'm not going to say openly here, but as management we discuss a lot about every player. It's about the combination, and when we are playing, which team we are playing against. It's always about that. For us, each and every player is really important, and so whatever the combination we are thinking about, we'll see how we fit each and every player.
Hello, Chase is your name. Night Golf 8th edition. About this journey.
Well, we all know that they're fantastic sportsmen, but I've seen them on the driving range, I've seen them on the putting green. They come out and have a bit of a flirt, if I can call it, with the golf. At the end of the day, it's great for the game, and I think if you're following what's happening on the world stage, lots of cricketers, once they stop playing, go into golf in a big way. But Night Golf has been a platform which has been supported now. This is going into its 7th year. It has to happen during the IPL, so necessarily, it falls in this month of April. But other than the weather, all I can tell you is there's a lot of excitement. I know Mr. Mysore went out of his way to invite some friends from other cities. They all made the effort to be here. It just shows the commitment, and I think the beautiful thing is that at the end of the day, whatever the contribution is going back into a cause, as we keep repeating, which is so fantastic. So from that point of view, the journey is not just continuing, but it's getting stronger and stronger every year.
What would you give to a young girl who wants to follow your path or wants to get into sports?
Good afternoon. My advice to all women, young girls growing up, I think first of all it's very important to have that self-belief. Don't worry about your financial background. Don't worry about where you come from, but focus your mind on what you want to achieve. achieve and what you want to accomplish in life. The stars are the limit, and it's important for you all to have that self-belief. Is the most important thing. And each and every one of you have your own inner champion, and it's important for you to find that purpose and go after it. Go after your goals. And don't let anyone discourage you or say you cannot make it. So it's all about the belief, and I want to encourage all young ladies, everyone as a matter of fact, to have that belief.
The last match only last night, but what sort of communication do you have within the team at this stage?
It was a game, obviously last night game we didn't have any conversation as yet. We have to sleep and get up for this very important day today. So, but we will regroup. It's work in progress as a management staff, as players. The good thing about being here with the Knight Riders team, there's no outside pressure, so that also helps. But as a part of the management staff, we have to keep encouraging the players. One thing for sure, the players do practice very hard. They're giving their best at practice and preparation. The results is not going in our way, but that's part of the game. But we have to still keep believing and trusting the process and have the last 6 games give it our best shot.
Start to this tournament. But again, EVP saw just now about Shaozi Rani. Do you think this can instill that motivation and confidence or give that never say die attitude among the players within the camp? Do you have any plans to show this AP or make these little kids interact with the players around the season and how things are going right now?
You know, it's a great point. I'll say one thing and then come to the question part of it. You know, this is a very resilient team, the Knight Riders. This is our 18th season, and whenever we are referred to, if you look at our record, we are always in the top 3. And there are 2 instances that come to my mind that I always share with new people who come into the setup. Is in 2014, at halfway point, we had won only 2 and lost 5. But you know what happened in 2014? We set an IPL record and won 9 games in a row. And after that, we played Champions League, and we won 5 in a row. So there's a record of 14 wins in a row. 2021, so that was not a flash in the pan. 2021, halfway, we were again 2 wins and 5 losses. We went to the final. So anything can happen in this format. There is still plenty of games left, and it's a matter of somebody showing that inspiration to get us across the line. So the way that inspiration comes from can be from anywhere. And actually you make a great point, because you know, when sometimes we get caught up with IPL and we look at the table and wins and losses and things like that, but then when you step back a little bit and look at some of what we're doing today and honoring the young ladies who are here, and then you put things in perspective and say there's a life way beyond tables and wins and losses, and you can draw inspiration from anywhere. So we'll definitely show this video, because and you know, you have a legend sitting here who has, and you know, you have someone here who, between the 2 of them, the kind of experience and the knowledge and just the mindset and the belief that everything has been talked about, there's a lot of it that comes out of it. But certainly somewhere something can spark, and if it is one of these initiatives, and when people look at it and say, oh my God, this puts things in perspective, it might just clear somebody's mind. So it's a great idea. So we'll definitely try and draw inspiration from this as well. It's fantastic, you know, what is happening to women's cricket. As you know, the WPL has really brought women's cricket to the limelight. And Ajinkya and I, we were talking about it, and you know, so basically what has happened is with that tournament, it has really provided a platform and an opportunity. And we are big supporters of that. We have a women's team in the Caribbean, and we support that in a big way. And we tried to get a team in WPL as well, but there were only 5 teams and there were stronger bidders. Sooner or later we'll get there as well. And women's league, similar to men's IPL, is happening in almost all countries today. England it's happening, Australia is happening, here of course, and in the Caribbean, which started before anybody else. So we are huge supporters of that. Yesterday, Jhulan Goswami was with us watching the game, and I was sort of talking to her about the things that were happening in the game, and it's fantastic, and it's a great opportunity for all budding young ladies to look at that, and there is some amazing talent that's coming through. So very, very pleased about that. In fact, in the Caribbean last year, for the first time, we picked 2 women cricketers from India. Jemima Rodriguez and Shikha Pandey played for us in the Caribbean. So I think they are also getting a lot of exposure in other parts of the world. So I think it's only going from strength to strength.
Yeah, on the pitch. After winning the toss, you batted second.
Nothing is wrong with the pitch. The pitch is good. We were all played yesterday, and that happens on some days. So we are not here to talk about the cricket pitch. We have at least 3 more games, home games, that we're going to bounce back and do well and make everyone in Calcutta proud.
Thank you, everyone.
Address you all, and then we take it from there. Sir, that's the take this one.
Thank you, Brandon, and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Sir Champion, for being here, and Skipper. Very nice of you to come and support this. And all. Better? Is this better? Okay. I'll give my closer. But I'll just repeat, I just want to thank everyone for being here, and particularly our mentor and Sir Champion who is here, and our skipper who's always here to support us. But this is always a very special event for us, because during the season we thought of this idea several years ago, and we called it Night Golf. And it has become an annual event, not just for people who participate, play golf at RCGC and enjoy the day, but more importantly, what we use this platform for. And it's a big thing for us to be able to thank the community in Kolkata for supporting us in large numbers. As you know, the Eden Gardens is iconic, and every time we play there, and we have crowds coming in and supporters and fans coming in full measure, and we have a full stadium. Our players love playing in front of the crowds, but our way of giving something back to the community, every year we look at a cause that we can support, and there are many people here, the players who are participating today, who have contributed. There are sponsors who come and contribute. Obviously, Bail Foundation, who is also part of the family for us. We are in a position to use this platform and use this product, if you will, to be able to bring awareness to certain types of initiatives and causes. And we are super happy to be able to facilitate this. So a big thank you to all of you for coming. This is very special. This is different this year than other years. So every year, and so Kanchan and team, the KKR team do a great job in identifying the right type of causes to do that. So we are extremely happy about that. I think there is some audio visual also that you will see, and Kanchan will take you through some of the more details. But a big thank you and a big shout out to all of you for being here. Thank you.